Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So today we're gonna do a little testing. So I just bought this Dent puller kit from Amazon. It's $35 and it comes with a whole bunch of tool you can use to pull dent. So you got your glue gun and you got all kind of tool you can pull. Got a little hammer, the suction, this puller tool right here, this one too, and then you got a whole bunch of input, I guess. So as you can see, hope you can see it, it's right here. The little dent is right here. So I guess my wife, when she backed up, she probably hit some pole. And I'm not sure you can see it clearly, but yeah, there you go. It's not really a big one, but I'll go ahead and test it. So let's see how it goes. Okay, the first thing you need to do is plug in your glue gun, and then find one of these. Find the side that's fit your dent, and basically you put the glue on this, and then you kind of stuck in here, and then later on you're gonna use the puller, and then try and pull it out like this. So I'll go ahead and plug in the glue gun and turn it on and set up this camera, and I'll show you if that puller really work or not. Maybe I have a little piece right here too. Not sure you can see it. See? Right here. So maybe I can pull that one too. So give me a second. Let me set this up, and we go from there. So I got the heat gun ready, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some glue in here, and I'm gonna put it in right here where the dent is. I will do the same thing with the smaller one right here. You can see on the other side where the small end is over there. Now they said you're supposed to leave it and let the glue kind of stick in a little bit. It's gonna take about maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and after that you can use the puller to pull it out, to pull the dent out. So I'll go ahead and wait for a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna try some tool trying to pull it out. So since it's 3 or 4 or 5 minutes already, so as you can see it's really sticking here. Same thing with this. You can see the glue is kind of dry already, so it's good. So what you're supposed to do is, I'm gonna use this tool right here. It's like a puller. So what do you do is there's a little hole right here. What do you do is you put this inside there like this. You can see, as you can see, let me see, and you can see right here. So you put it in like this, so it's stuck in here, and then you can use it to pull it out. So let me go ahead and set this up and try and pull it out and see it work. All right, and let's do it. like this. You're trying to pull it out a little bit. Okay. Try a couple more times. And I'll go ahead and do on this side too. So I guess the other one, the glue didn't stick that well. So I was able to do just one pull. But let's see the big one right here and see it work. I think it's came out. Let me try to scrape the glue off. Trying to get some soap, spray on, and see if that might help. Might help a little bit. So the soap really did the trick. Okay, go ahead and get something to wipe it out. Let's see if the dent is getting better. Don't worry, I will scrape those those glue off. As you can see on this, it's look pretty. It's probably 40% or 50%, 60% already. So this thing is already pulled out. Just the bottom right here that's need to pull out. So I go ahead and put another stick right here, and see I can pull that side out too. This one right here. Or maybe I can use one of those puller that they give it to you, and trying to get out. They give you one of those small one right here. Go ahead and stick it in here, and see if that's gonna pull out. And look at that, it's come out pretty well, as you can see right here. And let me try on this side. This one is already doing pretty good. I'll try this one more time. As you can see on the side. So I still have a little bit right here, and also just tiny bit down here. I'm not sure you can see it. I can see what in front of me, but in the camera it's pretty hard to see. But basically I already, as you can see, the result is pretty good. I was able to pull out at least 80 or 90% of the dent already. So so that's good. go ahead and tap some glue right here and a little bit of glue down here, and trying to pull that out, and I'll be right back. So I'll go ahead and do another one. So this one is somewhere right here. So somewhere right here. And then this one is somewhere right here. All right, glue in again. You can see. I'll just go ahead and wait for a couple minutes and let it dry a little bit, and then we're gonna do a little puller again and see it work. But up here it's already come out. Up here it's already come out. I can see it's already come out. We have something to scrape this off, or I can just use my fingers to scrape it off, or maybe I get one of those polish or wax. I can wax those things off, so it's fine. So as you can see, go ahead and set that up. I'm trying to use this and see it work, okay? This thing is uneven, so there you go. Oh, it's already come out. Let me try this side. Try this side, let's see. Okay. Okay, let me see if that thing work out or not. Let me see if that thing work out or not. See this side too. This time it's a lot easier to take it out because I didn't leave it to cure for a long time like the first time. So this only like 1 or 2 minutes. But it's come out really good. Look, all the dent is already been removed. I cannot see anymore. And same thing with this side right here. As you can see, it's really smooth out right now. So as you can see, there's barely any dent. So it's look good for on this side too. As you can see the angle. I don't see any dent anymore. So it's like 100% fixed. Like 100% fixed. Already pull everything out. So that looked great. As you can see, nice and great. I'll go ahead and get some wax or polish. I'll go ahead and polish this area right here and get those glue out. Some of the glue out that still stick right here. I'll go ahead and get those out and smooth out. But overall, it's a well finished job. So there you go. I tested it out and it does work. And it's actually it's pretty easy. I thought it's gonna be hard, but it's not. Easy to pull it out. Easy to do. And if you guys have a dent in your car, you want to remove it or pull it out. Don't try the water stuff. It's not working. Because I tried it, the hot water. It never worked. And I think this puller kit worked. So I will put the link on my video description in case if you want one. It's only $35, and I mean you can use this forever. They give you a whole bunch of glue stick right here, hot glue stick. So I mean this is I don't know how many times you can use this, maybe a lot of time. So basically you just need to buy one kit like this, and it's gonna help you out a lifetime. So especially if you have a minivan like mine, that you always have a shopping cart always bump into, or get a lot of hit because you have kid, and kid do bump in here sometime, and you're definitely gonna get the dent. So you buy a dent kit like this, it's gonna help you out a lot. All right, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right.